Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
Hello guys, this is Trader Sarab and today is July 15, 2019. So today I'm going to show you how I made $410 in less than 30 minutes. So only thing I traded today was Amazon the first 30 minutes, and I'll show you exactly what I saw, what I did, and how I traded it. So obviously, Amazon is going for a new high. It's trying to, go for a 52 weeks high. Today is a prime day. Tomorrow is also a prime day, and the stock has been running up like $150, $200 within like last week or two. So every day it's just been gapping up and just keep going up. So right away this morning I saw it. It's made a new high, as you can see right here. And in the morning time, like whenever it gaps up, a lot of time you're gonna see the first couple of minutes is gonna be profit taking. So as you can see that right here, the profit taking, the downward pressure. So I was monitoring the rest of the market as well and looking at the Amazon. So I saw this downward pressure. I was like, all right, I know it's a prime day, and usually Amazon historically does very well during the prime day and leading up to it, and even a couple of days after that, because they always talk about how they did more sale than the year before. So right here, I believe, that's where I took the trade right here when the downward pressure start dying out. You see like a little bounce. So, this was like a big candle, and over here you got a like little wick, and then the next candle you see start moving up. So that shows to me that the sellers are losing control and buyers are trying to take control. So I'm going to show you a couple of the trades that I took and the timing, and we can go back, back and forth between the chart so you can actually see that. All right. So here it is, Monday, the market opened up. So the first trade I took, I got it at 9:34. And I sold it at 9:36. In 2 minutes, I made $200. So let me write down the time, so this way I can actually go over the rest of them rather than having to switch back and forth. 9:34 to 9:36. And the second trade I took was 9:42, and I got out the next minute candle and I made a quick $120 right here. And let's see, the last trade was 9:55, and I got out in 1 minute the next candle to 9:56, and with that candle I made, what is it, 30, about 90 bucks on that candle. Alright, so let's look at the actual Amazon. So I enter at 9:34. So I enter on this candle, as I was mentioning earlier, because this way kind of shows me that, the seller were losing control, and I entered somewhere around here, and I sold it 2 minutes later, so I sold it somewhere maybe around right here. So, made a quick $200 on that move between these three candles. And then the next trade I took was 9:42. By the way, the white line is a VWAP. So 9:42, so it went up, it came back down, and then it was going to make the wave up again. So the same thing as this one, but right here I took the play at 9:42. So I waited for the confirmation. I waited to like take out this like short-term resistance of these couple of candles. So when it broke that, that's when I took the trade over here at 932. And I knew it was close to the VWAP, so I wanted to go for a small profit. That's why I got out the next candle for a small amount of profit. And as you can see, you know, like obviously it touched the VWAP or got close to it and came back down again. And I had a feeling that, you know, it's just going to do that, and at the end of the day, it's going to try to close up higher. And I mean, it didn't even really close up ending that much higher, but I'll show you the rest of the day how exactly it did. The next trade I took was at 955. So right here, took it 955, and I sold it right here. So this doesn't really show much of anything. And it's VWAP, like, you know, close to VWAP. So that's why I don't try to take a bigger trade during VWAP. And you can see, you know, I got out of there, and after that, a couple of minutes later, this stock just, you know, it went down a lot. It went down a lot, then came back, you know, just making that wave down, then wave up, wave down, wave up. And let's look at the bigger picture. It was going down, and then you can see that it was finding support. After that, it just shot up, man. It just shot up nicely, and it went from the, like, let me do that, from almost the low point, like 203, to all the way within like a couple hours to 222, and finish up the day at almost like 221. And obviously that's what's more like, just rather than just a technical analysis, it's also just a fundamental, knowing that historically Amazon does run up on Prime Day, and it does, you know, leading up to it also runs up, and after a couple of days. And right now you can see that S&P-Y is just like all-time high. It's just creating new highs. It's having, obviously, is going to like have a little trouble trying to break out. So SPY was not fully helping as much as it could have. But let's see, you know, it is finally hitting against some resistance, creating a new high, hitting that resistance, and it's a lot of profit taking. So all in all, this is how I made $410 in less than 30 minutes. Hope you guys got something out of it, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at 0 to Hero Trader, or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace.